Hello, JFS again, and I'm going to be showing you the Squashni Micro fire alarm sounder. So yeah, it's quite an unusual fire alarm. It isn't featured on many fire alarm videos that are in the UK. It's not a very common alarm to find in a building either. What it is it's probably like the oldest version of a bass sounder that I've ever seen. From probably 10 or so years ago. I'd say this was probably made, I'm not sure. Mine's a bit dirty because it's had various things stuck on it and it was used when I bought it. It came in box though, but it obviously wasn't sealed. Tested, which is true because it works. And then batch number 179742, made in UK. Sound number, that's blank for some random reason. I don't know what those markings mean, and for some reason there's a W there. It has the voltage 9 to 28 volts DC standard, the common, and then the first sound, the second sound. The first sound is just a whooping tone, like I'm not going to make the noise with my mouth because that sounds stupid. You'll hear it in a moment, but it's a sweep tone, the slow sweep tone. And then the second sound is Fulleon's version of a continuous beep tone, which you will also see in a moment. I'm just going to be powering it on its lowest operating voltage at 9 volts for this overview and test. So yes, let's take a listen. Hold on, I'll figure this out. Wrong way. Polarity is probably something that is needed right here. Oh, and that is the moment that Jason realises that it is on turbo volume. Now this is how you turn the volume down. You just take a flathead screwdriver, shove it in there. This little, what's the word? Looking for a word. Spectral, that's it. You turn it. The lower you turn it, the quieter it will go. Okay, I have it on one of the quietest volumes that it can go on. So let's have a bit of a listen. Put the phone back here by my leg. I don't know if you can see my face or not. That'd be great. Oh, wrong way round again. I see what your game is here. Yep. So that is the sweep tone that this can produce, and I need to move these wires around to show you any sort of continuous tone. So I shall do that now. I want you to watch me do this. I'm going to show you how to undo the wire. So you just insert the screwdriver in here. It's just a normal terminal found on most fire alarms in any country that you come across, really. And then you just loosen it like a standard screw, and the wire should become loose and be able to pop right out. This is just some standard gauge wires. Nothing special, nothing particularly special anyway. And then I'm gonna loosen the second sound terminal, which is this one here. Oh, one's actually already loosened. That's a bonus. Saves me a job, doesn't it? I'll just get these wires prepared and insert them. Tighten. You probably can't see this right now I don't know, I'll have to see when I watch back the footage. And then second wire just goes in the same terminal. I don't really know why I took it out actually. Why did I take it out? Oh well, I should pretend that never happened. In it goes. Tighten the screw. Could be a while. And it's in. And you can see the wires are differently placed now, as you can see. And it's time to test it. Let's see if I can get this wire to stay like that. No, it doesn't want to stay like that. Hold on. Tickle this and like this. As you can see, it does a weird little thing. It like goes doo before it goes doo. Yeah, I did make the noise with my mouth. Laugh at me. Yeah, I don't know why, but all Fulleon devices do that when you play the second sound terminal. Because even the Squashni does it, which is the slightly thicker version of this, but then it's less large. I don't have it in the room right now. It's actually outside, mounted to a fence. Because the Squashni is waterproof as long as you have the waterproof ring. I don't want to do that now. As long as you have the waterproof ring around it. But that's another video entirely. If you want to see that in action, just watch my system test 3. Did I call it system? No, call it system test 2, not 3. Where I had that wired up and the Squashni as well on the wall, which now has no fire alarms on it. That's just the base for a smoke alarm, and that's just the standard switch base. You'll see why next time I upload anything on that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and like the video if you want. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.